Now let's have a look at the road node. This node will help you create some quick road for your landscape. Now for this tutorial I have this road guide right here. Currently it's flat on the floor, but I'll get to that later. So here let's put in the road processor and pull in the Bezier curve. There we go. As you can see, the road is cutting into your landscape. But let's have a look from the top view. So you have the road width currently set to 6 meters, but let's set this to 20 meters for demonstration, right? So we have the width of the road here, right? This is 20 meters across, and we have the road clearance. These two sides are the road clearance, and you can increase the size of the road clearance as well. So let's set this to 10 meters. So you see now we have a 10 meters clearance from the side of the road. Now, you can use this Bezier curve to decide whether or not you want to cut into the landscape or to raise the road above the landscape like this. So in order to create a road, you have to use a Bezier curve like this. All right. See, and there we go. We now have a nice road going across the entire landscape.